What do you need to know to replace the battery on this vehicle? Well, you've come to the right place. I'll show you step by step what to look for, the tools you need, and how to do this yourself. Let's get to it. You'll find the bonnet release lever on the driver's side here. Then push the safety latch to the left to open the bonnet. There are only two things in here, the engine and the battery. The battery is this one on the right. Now disconnect this terminal first. This is the negative, or the one with a minus next to it. Unclip this cover to get access to the positive terminal. Loosen the nut closest to the terminal to remove the whole junction box together with the terminal. Before you pick up the car to remove the battery, you'll want to loosen this retaining bracket with a 12mm socket. You might get away with loosening the bolt just a little bit and swivel the bracket out of the way, but it's easier just to remove the whole thing. While that's happening, when sourcing the new battery, make sure you get the one with this retaining lip, as you do get this size without the lip as well, and then you won't be able to secure it in the tray. If you're wondering why we loosen things in this sequence, I'll get to this later in the video, so stick around. Now make sure your back is straight and use both hands to lift all of this weight out of the way. When installing the new battery, push it into the retaining lip on the side here. Also check the orientation, in other words line up the positive and negative to the corresponding cables. This is a good time to also clean the terminals because they will hopefully not come off again in the next 3 to 5 years. Start by fitting the bracket loosely, and before tightening it, check that the positive terminal can reach. You'll thank me later. To make this battery last longer than a AAA, you might want to watch our top 5 tips to extend the life of your battery. I'll post a link at the end of this video. Push the terminal down by hand as far as possible before tightening it. How tight should they be? You'll have to wait till the end of this video. We can now tighten the negative terminal. Notice how we use a screwdriver to extend the terminal ends and push it all the way down by hand. But we're not done yet. Make sure you don't make these mistakes when installing a car battery, and learn how to extend the life of your car battery by watching these videos. I'll see you there, or you'll hear me there. Anyway.